god.
Paste face.
Paste face.
Hi, I'm Marissa and I'm from the Gamma Omega class.
Hi, I'm Sammy, also Gamma Omega. Evelyn, Gamma Omega.
Hi, I'm Sierra and I'm from the Gamma Phi Pledge class.
And I'm Adriana and I'm also from the Gamma Phi Pledge class.
Is it a s'more?
Oh, it looks like a cookie.
Yeah. Oh, it's chocolate.
It looks like it's
marshmallow.
marshmallow. It's like toffee.
It's good. It's really chewy.
I don't know what it is. But I don't like it. It's like a Twix, but like worse.
It's like toffee in the middle.
Stuff in my tongue.
Yeah. Marshmallow? Oh. Really marshmallow. Kind of reminds me of a s'more, but like not as like on par.
I would buy it. I like
Oh.
it. And it's small too.
So what is small? It tastes like coffee, but with a marshmallow.
No, it tastes like a white chocolate Tootsie Roll.
It tastes like Tootsie Roll.
Nailed it. What is it?
Charleston Chew?
Yeah.
Never had that.
I've never
I've never heard of that.
Maybe I'm too young.
Oh, I know what this is.
Do you?
I don't know what this is.
Oh.
Oh, is this just
This,
like Reese's
oh, is
peanut
this
butter?
like the healthy one, like the Annie's Reese's, not Annie's, but like, is it like Jeffrey's or something?
This is like a knockoff Reese's peanut butter cup.
Yeah, it's like the healthy version of a Reese's peanut butter cup. They sell them in Starbucks.
I don't like Reese's peanut butter cups.
It's like a ghetto Reese's peanut butter cup. It's good. It's all good actually.
They sell them at like the market. I don't know what it's called though, but it's like
The
Annie's
whole
or
thing,
Jeffrey's.
it's like low
yeah.
fat, low cal,
Yeah.
no flavor.
I think it's vegan.
Kind of tastes like it has like, you know, like the powdered peanut butter.
Yeah.
When you get like the jar that's already powdered, it tastes like it's made with that. It tastes old though. Yeah, like really. Are you feeding me old candy?
I'm trying to kill myself.
Like from Halloween old.
Because it's kind of nice.
Russell Stove.
It was sugar
Oh.
free.
It was sugar free. It's not vegan,
It's not-
but it's sugar free.
Oh, that's why it's sugar free. No one wants that.
I could have sworn it was vegan.
Might be.
That was close. We'll get into that.
Oh
Oh God, help me, my soul.
look, I've been impaled.
Why are you holding your feet when clearly your face hurts more?
Ouch! Now and later's. They're good. Now and later's. I know exactly what this is.
Oh, these look like
I
now
don't like
laters.
these color.
Now laters. Oh, but it's soft.
Oh, is it?
It's not
This is so weird.
They're like Starburst, but then they get a little like chewy.
I feel like this is not American candy. It has different flavoring. It's kind of weird, but I kind of like it.
Is it like Mama's? It's not now and laters.
Is it a Starburst?
It's not Starburst.
No, it's not. I've had this before. I feel like I have.
It tastes like
I'm
Mama
ready.
though.
Yeah. Am I right? It's now and later's. They're good. Score one for Sammy.
It was right. Now and laters are hard.
It's probably because it's hot and it's in the background.
Oh.
He puts it back on the plate.
I ate the whole thing. Now and laters are like rock hard.
I don't have to eat lunch anymore. I'm good now. Please don't be crickets.
I'm not that age.
Is this butter?
What is
You gave me butter.
Oh.
This is like the grandma candy nobody wants.
Like the ones that grandmas always have at the bottom of their purse. It's not Starburst. You have no idea where to buy them. The Starburst? White Starburst. Sugar-free Starburst.
Sugar free.
It's not even sugar
sugar free.
Oh. Good girl.
Oh.
Oh.
Lime?
Smell. It's like lime.
Oh,
It's
this one's
citrus.
hard.
Is it
This
orange?
one's hard. Oh, it's good. Oh, this is like a Starburst. It has a taste. It has a
like
taste like a
exactly like a
yellow
Starburst.
Starburst. Yellow or orange?
The banana?
Is this the mama?
What's a mama?
They're kind of like leaders, but like not.
Oh no, it's the don't tell me. It's the starts with a J. It's like Jumbia, Jumbo, something. No, what is it? Mama! That's what it is!
I was right.
Got it. Where? I've never heard of any of those.
Oh,
Why are they wet?
Because the plate's
Okay.
These look like marbles. These aren't edible. Is it chocolate?
Oh, these are good.
I know the name. As soon as they show us, I'm gonna like, oh, that's what it is.
These taste kind of like.
It's only
Is it Whoppers or milk?
Whoppers.
It tastes
Tastes
like
like Whoppers.
Is it like a British form of Whoppers?
I don't know what they are, but they're so good.
Yeah.
Is it American?
Is it Cadbury?
It tastes like. Is it Cadbury?
They are really old candy that my mom likes.
Now more.
Yeah.
It tastes like Whoppers. but
It
like
tastes exactly like a
balls.
Whoppers are. Aren't Whoppers
Well,
are?
like tinier balls.
Wait, does each color have a different flavor?
No, they're all chocolate. Chocolate is more flavored.
I don't know. That one didn't taste as good as the red one.
Which color was that?
The
Orange.
That's because it's orange. What are they? Skillets!
Sixlets.
Sixlets.
So overall, what do you think of candies?
Old people candy. We're good.
People can't.
So far, I'm like okay, but like I thought it was gonna be like weirder stuff.
Yeah, no, this
It's
is
just
fine.
chocolate.
It's chocolate, but I don't.
I mean, it's a little
chocolate
torturous because I don't like chocolate,
Yeah.
but like I can eat
stuff.
chocolate.
If I was a chocolate fan, I'd be. I'd be
Yeah,
doing
I
this
would be
challenge.
like, yeah, just bomb.
Most of them are really good.
Too much chocolate.
I don't like sweets.
Yeah, I don't buy chocolate.
I like savory foods.
If these were like Chex Mix, I'd buy them. Shout out to Chex Mix, not a sponsor, but we're open to it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe down below.
Thank you. My face is so awkward.